Hello everyone. Welcome back to PlacementDrivePI. I hope you're doing well. Today, I have an amazing internship opportunity from Microsoft, one of the world's leading technology companies. If you're interested in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, statistics, or computer science, then this internship is definitely for you. So, watch this video till the end, because I'll explain the eligibility criteria, responsibilities, required skills, and how you can apply. Let's get started. The company hiring is Microsoft. The job role is Data Science Intern. This is a full-time internship, and the work location is Pan-India. Freshers are eligible to apply. Now, let's understand what makes this internship special. At Microsoft, interns don't just observe. They work on real-world projects alongside experienced engineers and data scientists. You'll collaborate with global teams, solve real business problems, and gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge technologies that impact millions of users worldwide. This internship is an excellent opportunity to learn, innovate, and grow while working at one of the world's most valuable technology companies. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Candidates who are currently pursuing a doctorate degree in data science, mathematics, statistics, econometrics, economics, operations research, computer science, or related fields are eligible to apply. Microsoft has also mentioned that applicants must have at least one semester or quarter remaining after completing the internship, which means you should still be enrolled in your academic program after the internship ends. Additionally, candidates who are currently pursuing a master's degree in the same fields are considered preferred candidates. Now, let's discuss the responsibilities. As a data science intern, you'll work on solving real-world business problems using data. You'll formulate approaches to solve problems using algorithms, statistical techniques, and different data sources. You'll analyze product data and understand customer behavior to help improve Microsoft products and services. You'll perform data exploration to identify trends, patterns, and new opportunities. You'll validate your analysis, monitor results, and continuously improve your models based on feedback and new data. You'll collaborate with engineers, product managers, and data scientists to generate insights that help improve products used by millions of customers around the world. You'll also participate in peer reviews, learn advanced analytical techniques, and work with modern tools used in the data science industry. Now, let's talk about the skills required. Candidates should have a strong understanding of data science fundamentals, statistics, and mathematics, knowledge of programming languages, such as Python or R, along with SQL, machine learning concepts, data visualization, and data analysis will be highly beneficial. Problem-solving skills, logical thinking, communication, and teamwork are equally important because you'll be working with global teams. Now, let's discuss why you should apply. Microsoft offers one of the best internship experiences in the industry. You'll receive mentorship from experienced professionals, gain exposure to large-scale AI and data science projects, build valuable industry skills, and significantly strengthen your resume. For students planning careers in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, business analytics, or research, this internship can be a major career milestone. Now, let's quickly summarize the job details. Office building company, Microsoft. Briefcase role, data science intern. Round pushpin location, Pan-India. Graduation cap qualification, master's or doctorate students in data science, statistics, mathematics, computer science, economics, operations research, or related fields. Man-technologist experience, fresher. If you're interested and meet the eligibility criteria, make sure to apply through the official Microsoft Careers website. The application link is available in the description below. Don't wait until the deadline, because internship openings often close once enough applications are received. If this video helped you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to PlacementDrivePI for daily internship updates, off-campus drives, and software jobs from top companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Accenture, Deloitte, TCS, Infosys, and many more. Also comment Microsoft if you're applying for this internship. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best for your Microsoft Data Science internship application. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.